transmitted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The sun has been showing signs that a supernova is possible. There have been explosions of other stars in our solar system, and increased gamma radiation and ultraviolet rays have been showing signs that a supernova is possible. If a supernova happens, the sky will go black and seconds after the Earth will be swallowed up by the sun. There is no possible way to survive this event. You will be incinerated instantly in the time that it took to get this message out. The sun will be already starting the process. All stations will go quiet. God bless America, and God bless us during our final hours on our beloved Earth. This is an emergency action notification. All stations will broadcast this message.